Did you show the Finland? Okay, you have showed them the Finland. Go and defend it. Go to Finland and defend it. I think someone will appear in court. Let them go and defend it.
May 2025. Is going to appear in court?
Let them go. They say from now to May 2nd, 2005. If Nigeria should prepare themselves, let Christopher and Musa prepare themselves, or whosoever said that. Anyway, I don't blame them. It's Finland the cause. That one is ordinary boasting. Mr. Okpara, the new Okoko, they saw him as ordinary boasting. He's just boasting because of the position he occupied.
He said, I don't know.
No. He was. I said, defense headquarters, Lieutenant General Christopher Musa is just boasting because of the position he occupied. After this position, he cannot boast again. Just boasting. If you know that he's a military man, let him go to the southeast and fight the battle. I'm telling you, not to be in office, making mouth, writing on paper, posting. Let him do it practical.
No,
how many competent field Musa have gone before he reached that post?
No, before you go to that position, I'm sure he must have gone to a lot of battles before.
Okay, tell me the battalion or troops you have lead, both in peacekeeping force and both inside Nigeria and outside Nigeria, that made him to reach there. Tell me, if it's come by merit or performances, I think Musa is not supposed to be there. Just make him mouth. Okay, if you know that he is the one that approve it, him and the military boy approve it, let them go to Finland and defend it. I think Finland will give them mandate that from now till May 2nd, if it did not come, let them go there and prove it. Everybody.
No, you know what I said? I said he said he was the one in the military were the one that showed the Finland government proof that Ekpa is responsible for the killings.
How do you show the Finland? Okay, you have showed them the Finland. Go and defend it. Go to Finland and defend it. I think someone will appear in court. Let them go and defend it.
May 2025. Is going to appear in court?
Let them go. They say from now to May 2nd, 2005. If Nigeria should prepare themselves, let Christopher and Musa prepare themselves, or whosoever said that. Anyway, I don't blame them. It's Finland the cause.
There was on the internet where they were allegedly even pleading with the UN to dialogue with Finland just to bring him back here to Nigeria. You don't see that happening.
I said, if Finland is the cause, I think Finland did not rise up to disgrace themselves. All this will not have been done. Finland is a disgrace to them to arrest someone. I'm saying it up to tomorrow. It's a disgrace to Finland to arrest someone.
He said even after Finland saw the evidence that they showed.
Which evidence?
He said Finland said there is no need keeping him, where that they have to, arrest him.
Okay. Christopher Musa, Boko Haram in Medugri. What can you show Finland those ones? Tuchidin Bello, that grab all your equipments. Why can't show that one to Finland? Christopher Musa, where are you when they grab all the equipments? Marching order, military army kill Okoma. Why can't you show that one to Finland? 2nd December, military bombing in Mbausi. Why can't you show that one to Finland government? Nigerian army killing in Enugu. 3 people in Enugu. A week, someone was arrested. Why can't you show that one to Finland government? Nigerian army going to people's farmland, destroying their farm crops. Why can't Christopher Musa show that one to Finnish government? What did he show to Finnish government? Artificial intelligence, where they do photoshopping, do whatever they like. Use artificial intelligence, do it and post. Let him go face to face, person to person, and defend what he posts. The evidence he brought.
Are you sure he cannot go there?
He cannot go there. If Nigeria can never send delegates because they disgrace themselves, because all the show was live.
So who will now defend the case for them when
they will not go. They will not go. Nigeria will never send delegates.
That makes sense. So the one time that they will not. Are you trying to tell them that they will not be loyal? May 2025 when
let them go. I will tell them know that Finland is not Nigeria in judgment. Let them go. I challenge them, let them go. But mind you, that as they give evidence to Finland, so Biafrans give evidence of their own atrocity in Biafra land to Finland. Their own now is United Nation. The killing of Nigerian army, the killing of Nigerian government against Biafrans, their own is United Nation. It's the International Criminal Court of Justice. And this is part of the thing that made them to delay nnamdikanu. They don't want to release him. Because they know that nnamdikanu will sue them to court. They know that nnamdikanu will sue them to court. Eh? The genocide they committed from 1966 up to now, Nigeria will face it. Not to be bragging. Okay, as they hold Simon Ekpa, did you stop the declaration of Biafra? The declaration of restoration of Biafra. Did you stop it? Is it not going on? Biafra agitation or Biafra restoration is not one man business. Nnamdikanu drop. They hold Nnamdikanu. Simon Ekpa take over. As they hold that Simon Ekpa, the structure that Simon Ekpa put down, rise up and take over. Do not be surprised. By this time next year, you will never see Nigerian president in Biafra land again. Do not be surprised. By this time next year.
So are you trying to say that by this time next year that Biafra will not be a nation on their own, that we need visa or passport to visit Biafra?
I don't know. I don't know, but I'm giving you suggestion that if care is not taken, by this time next year, you will not see Nigerian presence in Biafra as Nigerian government operating in Biafra. But they can come an individual, they can have their visa, they can have their passport to come and do business, to come and visit, no problem. But as Nigerian government operating in Biafra land as part of Nigeria, I think if care is not taken, by this time next year it will be seized. It cannot be so again. Then I will know all the whole boasting, both Christopher Musa and those Igbo politicians and the other people are boasting whether they will cover their face with shame or not. Simon Ekpa, they can hold him, but Biafra marches on. Biafra marches on.
Okay, but one thing that CDS Musa was angry about was, he said, after the killings here in the Southeast, Ekpa will come to the social media and be proud and own up that yes, I was the one that killed these people. Is something that are not coming from someone that is not normal?
Now, if someone Ekpa says so, and it's a crime.
No, it's Musa that is saying it.
No, if someone Ekpa said, come to social media and say, I kill this, I kill that, I do this, and it's a crime, Christopher Musa first of all committed that crime. Nigerian army first of all committed that crime because
their work now.
Okay, someone is doing this work. Someone is doing this work because the Prime Minister of Biafra. He's a Prime Minister of Biafra.
Not alleged.
He's a Prime Minister of Biafra. Nigerian army will come and say, in this so area, we get the terrorists, we kill them, we vanish them off. They cannot be able to stand our firepower. Whom did they kill? Innocent people, civilians. They will say unknown gunmen, IPOB, ESN. Who are they? It's not civilians. Indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, indigenous people. You kill them and be proud, calling them terrorists in their own fatherland, in their own ancestral land. Then you say that it's not a crime. Eh? Shedding people blood like as if you are killing cow. And it's not a crime. Because you put on uniform and it's not a crime.
Okay, but
and if somebody defend himself, it's a crime. As a kid, they defend themselves, it's a crime. The bombers do someone Ekpa or Biafran government or just people of Biafra have fighter jet. Who is using fighter jet to bomb in Biafra land? Is it not Nigerian army? Is it not Nigerian Air Force? Is it not Nigerian Armed Forces? Do any of them purchase fighter jet? Who is bombing? Is it not them? Who is bombing? Are they not bombing up to this month? They bomb on 2nd of December. You see, go and watch it in X. Google it. You will see it. It's in the net. Google it. If I'm saying lie, and prove me.
Okay, but we've seen Ekpa, always coming out to say that he's always saying that the Nigeria government, that they are trying to stop him, to get to his people, that is the Biafrans, to kill them. Do you think that all along he has been talking about the Nigeria government trying to arrest him just to what do whatever they want to do with the Biafrans?
They look at him that after nnamdikanu, he's the next arrowhead. And they feel that if they caught him this time around, Biafra will quench. As they thought, if they caught nnamdikanu, Biafra will quench. But let me tell you, Biafra cannot quench unless Biafrans want it to quench. Biafra cause cannot stop until they achieve their goal. Unless the Biafrans want to stop it. I'm not talking Biafrans like Ohanes and Igbo or Igbo politicians. I'm not talking of them. I'm talking of the real Biafrans. Those who are ready to defend Biafra with the last drop of their blood. Unless they want Biafra to stop before Biafra will stop. All those you see Nigerian people are in the corridor of power in Nigeria. They're just dragging. They're just boasting to hold Nigeria to be one, as if they are one, where they are not one, because of the money that are looting from oil and gas. Because of nothing more, they are looting. If Christopher Musa retire now, he'll be collecting full salary as general, full salary of general as his pension. As his pension. This was all what they're dragging, fighting, so that they will continue eating. Even after their retirement, they will continue eating. And the poor are getting poorer. Masses are dying. And you will collect full salary as far as you are alive. As a general. Even though you retire, as far as you are alive.
But that's his pension. Pension, not pension.
And his pension.
But you're collecting full salary.
Full salary.
Why is it like? Are you sure it's full salary?
I take anything from Cornell. I take anything from Cornell. You collect your full salary. Then the president leaders collect their full salary. Like now, before Akpabio leave Akwa Ibom, he make it that governors will collect their full salary as pension. And they have other immunities, we add it to them. That is what this is what the politicians are fighting for, one Nigeria. They know that Nigeria is not one. This is what they're trying to eliminate Biafra. Because they know if Biafra exists, it will open the eyes of other nationalities to live in Nigeria. This is why they're fighting to destroy Biafra. By all means. Talk the truth now, we'll never see you again. You they look for you, they never see you again. But I thank God that God is still keeping us alive. What to fight for Tinubu will do to Southeast, Remi Tinubu is promising to us when he hold nnamdikanu in captivity. Plan how to arrest someone, Ekpa. They will do you. Anyway, he can go there and promise because who's a good man is the house boy region. Now you go there, promise. Which one promise we promise them? Look at all the sweat of Igbo people. Look at all the sweat of Biafrans in Lagos. Remi Tinubu say they should lose it. Working hard for them to lose it. Now you go there to promise them. The only way is people she can deceive. She cannot deceive me. The people, she cannot deceive me personally. Remi Tinubu can say whatever she wants to say. She have right to say so. Because the office of First Lady have been created in Nigeria without a constitution. You have right to say whatever she wants to say. Now, because it's the turn of Igbo man. The Igbos are football. Anybody can kick as in like. Anybody can give promise as they like without fulfilling it. When another senator want to slap her in the time of I don't know the Dilo Malay, but I have forget the name of that northern senator who want to slap her because of her mouth. where was her husband that time? What was her husband that time? Did Tinubu utter any word? He said as if he's not around. And since that very day, have she opened mouth again and do utter any word in the Senate? Because of this, her mouth is going to Southeast and say they should rejoice. Rejoice on what? Rejoice on what? Rejoice that your husband are marginalizing us. Rejoice that your husband rigged the election against Igbo man. He said we should rejoice. The people that will rejoice. The people who don't know their left from right should rejoice. The people when they promise them a cup of rice and the two cubes of Maggi, then they forget themselves, forget their sorrow, forget the impact I've done to them. Rejoice. He's not the one who said Igbo should quit Lagos.
But you're saying recently, Uzodinma confirmed himself that during our visit, she herself and Shetima, she said, Uzodinma said they brought truckload of rice that they will sell at 40,000 per bag. And he said Tinubu is not doing well. He's doing well.
They will sell it 40,000 per bag.
Yeah.
How long will they eat that 40,000 rice? And they eat their future. This is what keeps Nigeria where we are. Somebody will beat you finish. After beating you finish it, he will carry 500 naira give you. You hear him, babao, toale. That's what keeps Nigeria where we are. That we cannot resist evil. We cannot fight against evil. Long throats. You see what I'm telling you? She went to Musa now, start talking. It's not the same Remi Tinubu said Igbo should be killed. Igbo should quit out of Lagos. Igbo should lose their properties. They should drop it. Now he went there to talk because her husband is a president now. We should support him. Which can promise what? Which can development Tinubu will develop to Igbos that he will not be able to do generally in Nigeria? Is it not the one who promised Nigeria that if he enter, the poor will breathe fresh air? Is the poor breathing fresh air now? They should think. Is it not the one that if he enter, he will implement the 2014 confab? Ordinary 70,000 naira monthly salary. Federal government are dragging their foot to pay. Now we go to Igbo people. The Southeast will become special now. We become special now. He love you and he's sending army to come and kill you. He will do you good. He's sending army to come and run block. He love you. He send army to come and be bombing you. Uzodinma will not see that. Remi Tinubu will not see the bombing. Nigeria now are bombing Southeast. Nigerian Air Force are bombing Southeast. What to favor Tinubu will do to Southeast, Remi Tinubu is promising to us when he hold nnamdikanu in captivity. Plan how to arrest someone, Ekpa. They will do you. Anyway, he can go there and promise because Uzodinma is the house boy doing all their biddings. Yes, ma. As he went, Uzodinma will be bowing down. Yes, ma. She's a first lady. And Uzodinma is the house boy. Remi Tinubu is the first lady. Uzodinma is a kitchen boy to them.
Uzodinma says Tinubu is the best governor and best president.
Tinubu is the best president.
The best president in Nigeria. That if you are fighting Tinubu, that means you don't mean well for Nigeria.
Yes, Tinubu is another person enter tomorrow, be in power. Uzodinma will still praise that one. Before he was praising Tinubu, praising Buhari. Buhari have gone. Now he fails to praise Tinubu. To see that it's a rolling stone. It's a rolling stone. Wherever there's no sand, you roll over there. Can you see stone rolling in the sandy area? It's why it's that dry, there's nothing is there. He will roll over there. At the end, he achieved nothing than killing. Setting a bubago to kill his own people. That's the only thing.
But you said they will restore peace. Well, do you think that she was saying that because of Ekpa, do you think she was saying because of Ekpa? They say now there will be peace in the Southeast. At the same time, they're ready to bring back the glory days finally to Southeast. Do you think that she was talking to someone like
Which glory they're going to bring? Who's Odinma from the time he was a senator in the North Senatorial zone up to the time he become governor? Can Uzodinma point out whatever something he used senatorial zone allocation given to him for low senatorial zone? Can he point out what something what he take it to do in a low senatorial zone? Can he point out as he enters a governor, Supreme Court governor, what did he achieve than to create a bubag to be cleaning people? Is not what he achieved. Tell me any achievement Uzodinma have done, but not than creating IDP camp in Imo State. If you know that the peace will return back to Imo State, then was he able to stop Monday sit at home? Even as Samuel Ekpa is not out now, still Monday sit at home is going on. The killing on 2nd of December by Nigerian army, is it not part of insecurity? Is it peace? Uzodinma say peace will be restored. Remi Tinubu, peace will be restored. Peace will restore when you wipe up the whole Igbos. Now their property in Lagos, you want to take it, and want to go to Imo State again, go to Biafra land and take their land again. That is what when peace will come, when we surrender to Remi Tinubu and Mr. President, her husband, to take our land, to establish IDP camp. That time, peace will come. That is the peace they are looking for, him and Uzodinma.
But do you not think that they are giving, if the Igbos give them time, do you not think see them, developing the southeast, giving, building new airports, railways, and what have you in the southeast?
The one promised 3 R's: rehabilitation, reconstruction, and reconciliation. Did he fulfill it? Montella enter and said, as a governor, as a military man, he know he have stepped on so many people's toes. But let us forgive and forget and join hands together and build up Nigeria. Was Montella able to build up Nigeria? Obasanjo enter. What was he able to do to heal the wound of the war on Biafran side? What was he able to enter? Babangida enter. What was he able to do to heal the wounds on Biafra, the wound of the war on Biafran side? Buhari enter. Buhari Dagbo enter before Babangida. What was they able to do to heal the wound of the Biafran war on Biafran side? Obasanjo came back and enter after Abacha. When Abacha was there, what Abacha was able to do? Even petroleum trust fund project under Buhari, was anyone building in Biafra land, both south, southeast? Was anyone, any project there? You come and see only somebody, petroleum trust fund, that's all. You never see anymore during the Abacha regime. Okay, we may say Abacha regime is full of ups and downs until Abacha died. When Obasanjo entered, even the Obasanjo was the one who tried little for Igbos or for Biafra, because he built the Onitsha Owerri road. Although the road is nothing to right to home now, but Obasanjo time, Obasanjo built it to Douala Road. I think 2 or 3 lanes this side and also the other side from Onitsha to Owerri. I think Obasanjo tried on that one. I will not tell you lie. After that, what happened? To heal the wound, he massacred Odi. That's the healing of the wound. Yaradua enter. Death did not allow him to prove himself. He died. Jonathan enter. Both the West and the North mount pressure on Jonathan. They did not allow Jonathan to settle down, to know what to do. So they said not accuse him that why are you fighting Boko Haram? You are trying to avenge what we do to you people in Biafran war. Which means they know that what they did is bad, was bad. They knew that what they did to the Biafrans that time was bad, even up to now. They say you want retaliate, you are coming to revenge. You and the Hilejika, the man pressure on Jonathan remove Hilejika. The Yorubas take their papers, write, frustrate Jonathan. Jonathan wasn't able to do anything. Buhari take over. It become worst. Tell me the project of Buhari administration in Southeast than Operation Python dance, Operation Crocodile Smile. I will teach them the language they will hear. Killing. Tinubu have entered again. What is the meaning? What is the project of Tinubu for the whole Nigeria that made Tinubu to pick Southeast? It becomes special to him to develop it. Eh? Let Tinubu, if Remi knows that Tinubu means well, him and her husband, she and her husband means well for Igbos, let them release nnamdikanu.
So that doesn't the is not FRS.
Let them release nnamdikanu and to stop mounting pressure, looking for the life of someone Ekpa. You should stop it. If Remi Tinubu know that her husband, the president, is supposed to do good things to Biafrans, let him tell his husband to withdraw army checkpoint out of the land of Biafra and tell Usodima to stop a Bubagon operation. If he knows, she knows that, yeah, really, she and her husband means good for the Southeast or South or Biafrans, let him do all these things to stop it than to go in there. People, you say they should kill them, push them out of their own region. Now you go there, promise. Which kind of promise you promise them? Look at all the sweat of Igbo people. Look at all the sweat of Biafrans in Lagos. Remi Tinubu say they should lose it.